In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic search box in Microsoft Excel. We'll be building a simple search tool that lets you type part of a name and instantly return matching records from a table. This is a very useful technique if you want to make your worksheet easier to navigate and more interactive. To begin, create your data table in Excel. Set up your information so that each row contains one record and each column contains a field such as employee ID, name, and department. Make sure your table is neatly organized because the search formula will rely on this structure to work properly. In this example, the data ranges from columns A to C. Next, create the search box. This will be the cell where users type the name or partial name they want to find. It helps to place this in a clear area of the worksheet so it's easy to spot and use. In another area of the worksheet, create the search section and add the label Search Name. This gives context to the input cell and makes the worksheet more user-friendly. Place the label beside or above the search box so it's obvious where the user should type. After that, create the result headers: employee ID, name, and department. These headers will sit above the area where the filtered results appear. Adding headers makes the output much easier to read, especially when multiple matching records are returned. Now, enter the formula. Click cell E5, then type this formula exactly. Filters A2, C7 is numbered per search. F2, B2, B7. No matching record found. This formula is what makes the search box dynamic. The search function checks whether the text typed into cell F2 appears anywhere inside the names listed in column B. Is number converts those search results into true or false values, and filter uses those results to return only the matching rows from columns A through C. If nothing matches, Excel will display the message "No matching record found." Once the formula is in place, test the search box by typing different values into cell F2. If you type Sarah, Excel displays Sarah's record. If you type saw, it still displays Sarah because the search supports partial matches. If you type Ann, it displays Anna. If you type just the letter A, Excel returns all names containing that letter. And if you type XYZ, you'll see the message "No matching record found." That's how to create a dynamic search box in Microsoft Excel. Keep your search area clearly labeled and double check your cell references if your table is in a different location. With this setup, your worksheet becomes much faster and easier to use.